Now, you know I'm coming to deliver. Okay, you know I'm coming to bring the heat in these Dollar Tree streets. Ooh, Dollar. Honey, we jumping straight into it and doing it. All right, have you seen these? No, you have not. Okay, all right, honey, these are new. Check these out. Check them out. You check it? $1.25. Ooh, child, they come in different colors. All right, they have the pink, the blue, the gray. Child, water bottles. Not for hot liquids. Don't you dare put no hot liquid in here. Really, really cute, but I have some more other stuff that you guys need to see. Let's go. All right, so Dollar Tree also have the twist to drink 2 ways removable straw. Now, we had seen these, all right? Honey, giving me Starbucks vibe. Giving me a tumbler, okay? Tumbler. Now, this is a tumbler. This is $1.25. They come in 3 different colors. They have the purple, bluish, the red, and honey, the pink. Still deal. And Dollar Tree, like, listen, don't forget your drinks, okay? Don't forget your drinks. They reminding you, you need to buy one of these to put up in here, right? $1.25. Let's go. Ooh, so these nails at Dollar Tree, these are cute, okay? So you get 30 nails for $1.25. Oh, these are nice. 14K effect. I seen these before. These are cute though. All right, and then they also have the French tips. Honey, when they do the French tips is styling and profiling. You get what I'm saying? Now, also these. Now, you guys know I have purchased these, honey. I still didn't put them on. All right, maybe I'll do that today. Put some nails on today. I don't know. And then they also have some more French tips over here. The lime green. This neon green, honey, is one for the teeth. Let's just jump into it. You see these nails? Okay? All right? These are cute. This is mini to go. All right? 30 nails. Reusable nail set. Contains nail file, travel pouch, professional nail glue. Honey, look at the packaging. If that don't give you fancy pantsy vibes, then I don't know. Well, maybe this will. This pink. You see this? Really cute. $1.25. All right? Mini on the move. I know that's right. Try me. Oh, and they have one that you can try. Really cute. Ooh, so those are the 2 colors that they currently have. They come in purple, and then they also come in pink. Still deal. Love it. Really feeling it. Okay, really cute. Peace, family. Peace, peace, peace. Peace, Sugarfoot. I remember when I was a kid, my grandmother, she would say Sugarfoot. Oh, my grandmother had so much wisdom. Listen, Linda, today we are at Dollar Tree. Honey, we just gonna get to it, okay? Cut the chase and let's go to the place. All right, chill. It's like 24 something degrees out here. All right, now let's see what Dollar Tree have for us in a place to be. You remember when you was a kid, when you know, a teenager, trying to impress them little boys, those little pissy boys, piss tail boys, and you would wear skimpy clothes. Child, I swear, for most people, with age comes wisdom. Honey, you try it today. you try it today. Okay, having that little coat on. I do have a little coat, but honey, you best believe I got like 5 sweaters on. All right, let's go inside. Well, we're already here. Let's see what they have. All right, Dollar Tree also have the 8 pieces manicure collection for $1.25. So, my love, if you are going to buy some nails from Dollar Tree, you might as well just come here and get their whole 8-piece collection and do what you need to do with the glue and the nails. All right. Really, really cute. $1.25. Check them out. All right. Honey, that's what I said. I said Dollar Tree is now selling baby onesies. Child. And it's so funny because my sister, when she was here visiting, she was like, see if Dollar Tree had baby onesies. And, you know, I'll come to Dollar Tree, you know, a few times in a week. And I was like, they don't sell baby onesies. Well, they sell them now. So you get one baby onesie, 6 to 9 months, and these are $1.25. Really, really cute. They come in white, pink, and also blue. Easter colors. Hey, boo. Right, so remember I had showed you guys, I had brought this about last week. Dollar Tree now has the Flexi Grip smartphone flex grip mount, and let me just say, this thing is good, okay? Expandable grip arms, bendable flexible legs, portrait or landscape mode. And the one I have is the black and white one. But honey, why they now have the pink and white? Child, okay? And I got the dog. This one is the unicorn, but this is $1.25. Can we say still deal like Holyfield? All right, my love, we moving into Easter. You like these? These liquid soap dispensers for Easter? Cute, $3. Then they also have the bunny. Say hey to the bunny, like money. $3, really, really cute. Happy Easter. These are $5. The tabletop decor, I absolutely like these. They come in blue and also in white. What about the tabletop egg decor? Really, really cute. These are $3, and these are pretty much the colors they come in. Now, we had seen the Peeps Bunny 10-inch LED candles. These are really, really cute, $5. They also have the 2-tiered tray, which is $5 as well. And look at the bunny pom-pom garland. So this is pretty much how it's looking. This is $3. So Dollar Tree is in a place to be. Really, really cute items for you and me. They also have the sesame. I had showed you guys this last time. The sesame Easter baskets, and then they also, this is new, hold on child, these are like little decor pillows, Easter decor pillows. They also have the 24-inch standing bunnies. Now honey, these go quick. These are $5. What about the Peeps tumbler double wall? $5. And then the 3-tier serving tray. New items, metal wire egg floral decor, $5, and they come in different colors. Really, really cute. Different designs. Look at the eggs right here, and then look at this child. Really, really cute. All right, and then they also have some more egg garland over here. $3. All right, this is a fancy pantsy mancy. And then they also have Peeps hang. What this rug say? Hanging with my peeps. Ooh, child. Who's on the marketing team, okay? Right? Oh, brother. Now, they also have Happy Easter over here, this welcome decor, which is $5. And what about the wreaths? Get into the wreaths. Different colors. These are $5. Now, this is cute. This is cute. Cute alert. Tinsel decor. All right? $5. 6-foot floral egg garland. Wait, hold on, child. It was the wreath. I can't make this up. But this is the 6-foot floral egg garland, $3. Now, Dollar Tree also have the set of 4 egg containers with the Peeps. A set of 4 egg containers. So yeah, so let's see. Oh, so this is pretty much how it's looking. Honey, I'm looking all around town, and it's right in the front. This is $5. They come in 2 different colors, the yellow and also the pink. And then, of course, Dollar Tree have the tinsel bunnies. Honey, that sun is big, man. And then also the tablecloths. Easy care tablecloths, and then tabletop egg decor. More. Now, if you are looking for some garden decor, Dollar Tree said, look no further, we got you. All right, this is $1.25. They come in different colors. Really, really cute. All right, so if you still on a hunt to get some men's crew socks or some ladies no-show socks, Dollar Tree definitely have them. These are $1.25, Valentine's Day theme. And then, of course, they still have the pedicure set. You get 3 pieces for $1.25. And then also the manicure set, 3 pieces for $1.25. The spray bottles, mist spray bottles that comes in 2 different colors, pink and purple, $1.25. And honey, they went ham on these makeup brushes. And I do mean ham, all right? They also have the spa headbands that comes in different colors, $1.25. All right, so Dollar Tree had brought more of the Happy Valentine's Day roses decor. All right, these are so cute to me. They come in pink and also in red. Those are $5. New item, XOXO word tabletop decor, $3. Hugs word tabletop, $3. And then the rose kissing balls that Dollar Tree has over here, this is $3. And then also the bamboo cheese board spreader, this is $5. Now Dollar Tree has these cute pillows. Okay, Happy Valentine's Day. What else? Be Mine. This is so cute. What does it say? You and me together forever. Now it doesn't say together forever, I just put that part in. This is $5. Now, Dollar Tree still have a few items when it comes to the little Teddy's container. Well, Teddy jars, I like these, right? $1.25. 2 different colors, pink and also red. All right, family, make sure you guys comment, like, subscribe. All right, I'll catch you guys on the next one. Ooh, make sure you're staying warm, honey. Until next time.